Hey guys, welcome to this channel, and in this video I will show you how to install Duolingo. So first, if you're on Android, you want to go to Play Store, and then if you're on Apple iPhones, you have to go to App Store. So you want to search Duolingo and then install, and wait until it finishes installing, so it might take a while. And as you can see, Duolingo has finally been installed. So you open, and basically that is it. And that is it for this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.